An education company is building a chatbot whose target audience is teenagers. The company is training a custom large language model, LLM. The company wants the chatbot to speak in the target audience's language style by using creative spelling and shortened words. Which metric will assess the LLM's performance? A. F1 score. B. BERT score. C. Recall-oriented understudy for gisting evaluation, Rouge. D. Bilingual evaluation understudy, BLEU, score. Correct answer, B. B. BERT score. A customer service team is developing an application to analyze customer feedback and automatically classify the feedback into different categories. The categories include product quality, customer service, and delivery experience. Which A1 concept does this scenario present? A. Computer vision. B. Natural language processing, NLP. C. Recommendation systems. D. Fraud detection. Correct answer, B. B. Natural language processing, NLP. A financial services company must ensure that its generative AI-powered chatbot provides factual responses for regulatory compliance. Which solution prevents the underlying foundation model, FM, from hallucinating? A. Use AWS config to query compliance metadata by using natural language. B. Configure Amazon Bedrock guardrails to evaluate user inputs and model responses. C. Use Amazon Fraud Detector to detect potentially fraudulent online activities. D. Use AWS Audit Manager to prepare IT audit and compliance reports. Correct answer, B. B. Configure Amazon Bedrock guardrails to evaluate user inputs and model responses. A company wants to develop a solution that uses generative AI to create content for product advertisements, including sample images and slogans. Select the correct model type from the following list for each action. Each model type should be selected one time. Create high-quality images that are influenced by the generated slogans and product. Product. Diffusion model. Create contextually relevant slogans based on the advertisement product. Transformer-based model. Ensure that company brand elements are properly placed in the images. Object detection model. A company has created multiple ML models. The company needs a solution for storing, managing, and versioning the models. Which AWS service or feature meets these requirements? A. AWS Audit Manager. B. Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor. C. Amazon SageMaker Model Registry. D. Amazon SageMaker Canvas. Correct answer, C. C. Amazon SageMaker Model Registry. A company has created multiple ML models. The company needs a solution for storing, managing, and versioning the models. Which AWS service or feature meets these requirements? A. AWS Audit Manager. B. Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor. C. Amazon SageMaker Model Registry. D. Amazon SageMaker Canvas. Correct answer, C. C. Amazon SageMaker Model Registry. A company is developing an ML application. The application must automatically group similar customers and products based on their characteristics. Which ML strategy should the company use to meet these requirements? A. Unsupervised learning. B. Supervised learning. C. Reinforcement learning. D. Semi-supervised learning. Correct answer, A. Unsupervised learning. A news agency publishes articles in English. The agency wants to make articles available in other languages. Which solution meets these requirements? A. Add Amazon Transcribe to the company's website. B. Use the Amazon Translate real-time translation feature. C. Add Amazon Personalize to the company's website. D. Use the Amazon Textract real-time document processing feature. Correct answer, B. B. Use the Amazon Translate real-time translation feature. A bank is building a chatbot to answer customer questions about opening a bank account. The chatbot will use public bank documents to generate responses. The company will use Amazon Bedrock and prompt engineering to improve the chatbot's responses. Which prompt engineering technique meets these requirements? A. Complexity-based prompting. B. Zero-shot prompting. C. Few-shot prompting. D. Directional stimulus prompting. Correct answer, D. D. Directional stimulus prompting. A company wants to fine-tune an ML model that is hosted on Amazon Bedrock. The company wants to use its own sensitive data that is stored in private databases in a VPC. The data needs to stay within the company's private network. Which solution will meet these requirements? A. Restrict access to Amazon Bedrock by using an AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) service role. B. Restrict access to Amazon Bedrock by using an AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) resource policy. C. Use AWS Private Link to connect the VPC and Amazon Bedrock. D. Use AWS Key Management Service, AWS KMS, keys to encrypt the data. Correct answer, C. C. Use AWS Private Link to connect the VPC and Amazon Bedrock.